Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Samsung Galaxy Ring, an innovative wearable that promises to redefine personal health tracking and smart functionality. Combining cutting-edge technology with a sleek design, the Galaxy Ring aims to provide detailed health metrics, seamless connectivity, and a comfortable fit. Let's explore what makes the Galaxy Ring a standout in the burgeoning market of smart wearables. Design and build quality. The Galaxy Ring boasts a refined and modern design, minimalist aesthetics. The ring features a sleek, minimalist design available in various finishes, making it a stylish accessory that complements any look. Durable materials. Constructed from high-quality materials such as titanium or stainless steel, the Galaxy Ring is designed to withstand daily wear and tear while maintaining its elegant appearance. Comfortable fit. With a smooth inner surface and lightweight build, the ring ensures a comfortable fit for all-day wear without causing discomfort. Health and fitness tracking. The Galaxy Ring excels in health and fitness tracking. Advanced sensors. Equipped with state-of-the-art sensors, the ring tracks various health metrics, including heart rate, blood oxygen levels, body temperature, and stress levels, providing a comprehensive view of your health. Sleep monitoring. The ring offers detailed sleep analysis, tracking sleep stages, duration, and quality to help you understand and improve your sleep patterns. Activity tracking. It automatically detects and records various activities such as walking, running, and cycling, offering insights into your daily physical activity and progress towards fitness goals. Water resistance. The ring is water resistant, making it suitable for tracking activities such as swimming and water sports. Smart features. Samsung has integrated several smart features into the Galaxy Ring to enhance usability. Seamless connectivity. The ring seamlessly connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, syncing data with the Samsung Health app for easy access and analysis. Notifications. Receive notifications for calls, messages, and apps directly on the ring, allowing you to stay connected without needing to check your phone constantly. Voice Assistant. The ring supports Samsung's Bixby Voice Assistant, enabling hands-free control and quick access to information and smart home devices. Long battery life. Designed for longevity, the ring offers several days of battery life on a single charge, ensuring you can track your health and activities without frequent recharging. User experience. The Galaxy Ring provides an intuitive and user-friendly experience. Easy setup. Setting up the ring is straightforward, with guided instructions via the Samsung Health app, making it easy to start tracking your health metrics. Customizable settings. Personalize the ring's features and notifications to suit your preferences, ensuring it fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Data privacy. Samsung prioritizes user data privacy, ensuring your health data is securely stored and only accessible by you. Price and value. The Samsung Galaxy Ring offers excellent value for its features and performance. Competitive pricing. Positioned competitively in the market, the Galaxy Ring offers a range of advanced features at a reasonable price, making it an attractive option for health-conscious individuals. Warranty and support. Samsung provides a standard warranty and reliable customer support, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Ring is a groundbreaking wearable that combines stylish design, advanced health tracking, and smart features to provide a comprehensive and convenient health monitoring solution. Whether you're looking to improve your fitness, monitor your health metrics, or stay connected on the go, the Galaxy Ring offers a versatile and reliable option. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.